Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great week. We've got a big weekend coming up. I'm sure you guys got lots of things planned. Today's video, number one, at the end, the very last scene is going to be Vicki and I showing our finished products. You guys saw yesterday, we made them with the first and the second pour, but now you're going to get to see them close up at the end of this video. But this video is a little bit different in the fact that I want to talk a little bit about Oatman, Arizona. And if you guys don't know, in case you're kind of brand new, I used to carve signs up in Oatman. I was a sign carver up there for, I think, about 6.5 years. I haven't done that now for, gosh, it's been like 3 years, I think. Yeah, or maybe 3 or 4 years. I don't know. It's all a blur when you get old. Anyway, but I go up there every once in a while. I go up there. I've still got some friends up there, and we're after this. You're going to see clips on the drive up to Oatman from Golden Valley, where we live. It's about a 45-50 minute drive. It's some really cool stuff. We saw some bighorn sheep. The donkeys, which are really is what Oatman is famous for. I think Vicki even got a little clip of a tarantula hawk, if you haven't seen one of those. So that's pretty cool. Just some kind of, it's not sign making, but I thought it might be interesting to you. But the other reason that I bring up Oatman is when I left Oatman, when I was up there, I think about 3 years in, I met a guy that came over and we started talking, and he was watching what I was doing. I was busy, but we talked quite a bit, and I did a video with him a while back, number 165, and his name's Skip O'Brien. He actually learned, and it turns out he only lived like a few miles from where we lived, so he would come over all the time, and I teach him stuff, and he bought our videos, bought some different things. But he actually took over as the sign carver. When I left Oatman, he actually took over as the sign carver, although he didn't carve right there on site. And if you go back and watch video number 165, here's a kind of a screenshot. That's Skip right there. And we had a blast doing an interview with him back on video 165. Well, I haven't been up in Oatman, and I haven't heard from Skip for a little while, several months, and I found out unexpectedly he passed away. He actually had a heart attack and passed away suddenly. It was didn't see it. His wife Jamie didn't see it coming at all. But so this is kind of a tribute to him. Skip was a great guy. We spent a lot of time together, not only in Oatman, but here he would come over, I'd sharpen his router bits and answer his questions, and he just was such a unique guy and such a terrific guy, and I'm going to miss him a lot. He was a good friend. So this is in tribute to Skip O'Brien. Those of you that are watching this that had seen video 165, you'll get a glimpse of his sense of humor and his personality. He was a terrific guy. Anyway, I'll miss Skip a lot. Anyway, so that's really what I wanted to talk about. And so if anybody wants to carve signs in Oatman, I think there's an opening. I'm definitely not going back. I got too much going on. But anyway, my friend Skip is gone, and God bless his soul. I'll miss him crazy. So we're going to move on, and now we're going to show some clips. I think that we've got, Vicki filmed all this stuff. I think we got some really cool clips of Oatman.
Babies and stuff.
Yeah, the baby donkeys, and just some really cool clips. I hope you guys like it. And if you ever get a chance to get to Oatman, Arizona, you'll like it. It's a cool little town. Wooden sidewalks, gunfights in the streets, and it was really a cool town. I miss it a lot. And I miss the people. Anyway, guys, here's those clips from Oatman, and then at the end, after that, Vicki and I are going to come on and show our finished projects, and then voting will begin. So thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it, and we will see you on Monday. Talk to you later. Bye. Yeah, it's
a
little
he's
one.
Coming to the car.
Oh, we can't. Stay out of the road, you guys. So this is the road I used to drive about 4 or 5 days a week when I had my shop in Oatman. It's a great drive. Bighorn sheep, I used to see them all the time.
He's looking at you like...
So we are coming into Oatman, my old kind of stomping grounds. Haven't been up here for a couple years, but I was the sign carver here for about 6 years. This is a little western town. The burros come to town every day. Tourists get to feed them, and it's early in the morning right now, so there's not too many people around, but kind of a cool little town. I miss it. I was here for 4 or 5 days a week for 6 years. As a matter of fact, my shop was on the front porch of New Diggins over there. Oh yeah, we got the burros, a few of the burros in town. They like to gather around the covered wagon over there. That's where Brenda, my friend, that's where she likes to feed the burros, and she is kind of the local caretaker of them. I gotta find a place to park here. We'll be back. Hey, Duke. This is Duke. He's the jack that's been around for the longest. He was here when I was here 3 or 4 years ago. He's a good old guy. He was just a young one when I first got here. Duke, you been making trouble again?
Knock it off. Vicky, pay attention. Watch out.
I know where they're going, and I knew they were coming around this way. Oh my! Also, I got little one there.
Yeah.
Newborn. Another one over there. Pretty small.
It's caught up at the top.
Kind of needs to be unbunched.
It's bound up on your side. Maybe I should come around over there.
With you, your horse.
Your papers? Pickle?
Calm down.
Hey. Loki. at how cute you are.
You know, we might be better since we've got 4 of us guys. We might be better off having you and George go ahead and pull this thing out. And then, even though it's down here, then it's done. All right, we're over. Done? All right, yeah, we're clear to the back end now.
Wait, you guys stop it. Yes, no.
All right, so.
Wait. Oh, go ahead.
I know an easier way.
They put stickers on their head, the babies, so that the tourists don't feed them, try to feed them carrots, because they can't eat carrots and stuff like that. They only feed from mama. So they put those stickers on their foreheads, try and keep them from choking.
So what happens on these, Ray, just so you know, even though this is Phillips, it's really the wrong side.
What? Do you enjoy these or what? Alright, so there's that tarantula hawk. Where'd he go? He scares me. I don't know if you can see him. They lay their eggs. They pick up a tarantula. They fly by, pick up a tarantula, lay their eggs in the tarantula. Let's see. Got him in there?
All right, guys, a little change of plans. We're showing the projects, but Vicki wants to stay behind the camera so she can kind of zoom in and give you close-ups on these. By the way, we've got the air conditioning going because it's really hot out here. So we've got it on low. Hopefully that it's still going to work as far as the sound goes. So Vicki's project, my project. We had a blast doing these, just so much fun. So 2 totally different things, but they both have resin. And we pretty much stayed within our criteria of what the rules we set. So the way we're going to work this is, if you see this, you know, you'll see this on Friday. The voting starts on Friday, and it will go for a full week until Friday the 27th. Midnight the 27th. Friday the 27th. So if you like Vicki's, which I know most of you do, just literally the way you vote, just in a comment, just say Vicki.
On YouTube only.
On Vicki, yeah, on YouTube, VICKI.
Thank you.
If you misspell it, it's a non-vote.
No.
I don't care how you spell my name. In fact, I'm probably going to hear some interesting names. Anyway, just say Vicki or Eric. That's it, and that's how you vote as a comment on this video. Not on future videos,
No.
only on this video, right?
Correct.
On this video only. And then what we'll do is on the 28th, that's when we're going to do our live broadcast. We will be having 2 buckets. Well, we'll have a bucket for Vicki's and probably a thimble for mine. And we'll pick the winners for those, and then we will ship them to you. And that includes international. If you're international, we'll ship it to you. Sweden people, Germany people, Australia people, you can vote. We're gonna eat the shipping on it, and we'll ship them to you. So again, great idea by my wife. We had so much fun with this. Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video as much as we enjoyed making it.
We were so confused on when it was
Oh
going to
my
show.
gosh, I know. Yeah, we filmed like a bunch of videos, and our days were all mixed up. So next week we're going to be back to normal, hopefully, and kind of keep track of our week. But anyway, we've had, and I've realized doing 4 videos, posting, editing, and everything, 4 videos in a week is too much. It's very confusing and a lot of work. But anyway, thanks guys so much for liking,
Coming along in our creative
following
journey.
our adventure and our mishaps. I guess that's about it. Yeah, we will see you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching. We'd love for you, if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. And be sure and click that little bell icon. We post videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday is our normal thing. This week, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But please, if you have any questions at all, please email me directly, eric@makeawoodsign.com. And I'm on Instagram every day at makeawoodsign. And if you leave me messages through Facebook, another way to leave me a message is comments on the channel, on the videos. That's a way to do it too. But I miss a lot of messages through Facebook. So please don't leave me a message through Facebook, because I don't have much time to spend in Facebook anymore answering messages. So please email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com, Vicky, or vickywithdavescience@gmail.com. Thanks again, guys, so much for all the support and love. We love you all, and we will see you guys on Monday. Bye.